A warm welcome from the PPT guy. We will create another video-based cover slide today. Start by inserting a video into the slide. I have taken this video from Dribble website and all credits to the video belong to them. Using the crop feature, crop the video to fit the slide background. Click on Video Format, you will find the crop option there. Resize the video to fit the slide layout. Ensure it is set to play automatically under the Playback tab. Insert a rectangle shape over the video. Next, click on Format Shape, change its color to white and remove the outline. Place a text from the Insert tab. You can type in any letter. I have used R and O to design this cover slide. Change the font of the letters to bulk font. I have used Flame and increase its font size to cover the maximum of slide layout. Select the rectangle shape and the text. Under Shape Format, click on Subtract. Now, we have a shape that is modified to the text. Zoom out of the window frame and increase the size of the shape we created. Stretch the shape so that the space between the letters is only inside the slide frame. Now we have a unique overlay over the video. Insert a text mushroom. Format the text to stacker form. Change its font and font size and place it at the center. Now, select the background shape and the text and click on Subtract under Merge Shapes. We have a unique video cover slide. Hit like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for new PowerPoint design inspiration.